Hey guys, Ali here. Welcome to my channel Solid Trade. So I want to do a very quick analysis on the trade, the stock KODK. Okay, KODK. It had a news and the stock gapped up. Now what I want to discuss is how to know and when to know the stock is not gonna go up anymore. Okay, and I'm gonna show you some amazing technique here that will help you recognize to get out of the stock way earlier before this thing happened, right? Imagine if you got in here thinking it's gonna keep going up, but it just kept going down and down and down. You would have just melted, right? The stock just kept going down, even though it's up now after market hours because of some news, but that's not the point. So let's get into it. So what happened here, that the stock opened, all right, and it found support here at $9. $9 also at psychological level, so it kind of makes sense, right? $9, $8, $10 psychological numbers. Okay, and then notice here, if I zoom out here, there's a really nice trend break. You can draw it this way and you can buy here as soon as it breaks, and your stop will be below this support level. As you can see, the stock never came down and boom, shot up. Okay, now let's say that you missed it. So your second entry would be at this trend break, and you could have bought right here again. Okay, now I'm going to show you something really cool. So now here, similarly, your next break or entry would be here. But now notice in other trend breakouts, it clearly just broke out. Again here, clearly went up. But notice what happened here. Just look at closely, okay? Notice what happened. I'm going to draw this trend again very cleanly. So briefly it came up and touched and then got stuffed, okay, with high volume. Now this is the time when it tells, all right, the trend lines are not going to work anymore. Now think of it from the other perspective, right? Let's say that if you were a trader and if you had gotten in this trend break and made money, and then again made another trend and you got in here, but as soon as you got in, boom, all of a sudden you're red. What are you gonna do? You're gonna instantly get out because your whole idea of the trend line break did not work. The stock did not break the trend, even though it did break, but it came back out. So you have no reason to stay in the stock. So immediately you're gonna get out, right? But then what happens again? Look, as soon as it tries to come back to same area again, in this area, it got sold back again. Again, it tries to come back, again, it got sold back. And look what happened right after. The stock just kept going down and down and down. Now, the reason why is because the psychology. It's a very important psychology lesson, all right? The psychology lesson is that once you got into this trend here, once you got in this, but lots of other traders got in here as well. So they all are red now. So everybody who all got in, they're all in red. So now think of it from your perspective. If you were in it, you would have been thinking of getting out. So there's going to be more selling pressure than buying pressure. All right. So the lesson of this, I'm going to make this very short video. The lesson of this trade or this video is that if you see a failed breakout, which like this is a failed breakout, it means the stock is losing momentum and you don't want to touch it again. Now let me show you another trend here. Since it already had a failed breakout earlier here, look, there's another trend going and you could have bought here again, but again it failed. The reason why is because everybody's stuck from here. So as soon as they see stock coming, they sell, and then the trend doesn't work anymore. Now let's draw another trend here. Okay, so there's another trend here. Look what happened. It broke out. It should have gone, but look what happened. It kept going down again. It broke down again, and it just kept going down and down. The reason why, because people are stuck. It's all because of this candle. This candle pretty much wrote the entire fate of the stock. Okay, this failed breakout, and that was it. Because clearly you can see here it worked perfectly. Again, it worked perfectly. But once it broke one time, that's it. All hell break loose. It breaks the supply and chain demand, and then it just turns the momentum on the other side. All right. Hope you guys learned from something from this, and because it's gonna save you thousands of dollars, man. I'm telling you, because if you knew that there's a failed breakout, you wouldn't have gotten here on the trend break. Okay. So yeah, that's it. I just want to make a small video. I'll try to make more videos. So if you like these with gem, lessons, so if you like it, make sure you like and subscribe. All right. Okay. Bye.